questions we often ask at the STEPS Centre is, what is policy and how does it change? Because policies are always constructing and deconstructing pathways to sustainability. But actually, what is policy? The way we think about policy and policy change in the STEPS Centre is to think about three interacting processes. The first is around discourses and narratives, about how knowledge is deployed in policy, about how we tell stories about policy and policy change, and about the competing power and knowledge dynamics that go on in constructing policy. The second is about actors and networks, about how different people get together around particular policy stories or narratives and how they link together across space and across scales to construct policy in different ways. And the third is about how interests and politics interact, how, for example, business interests or commercial interests intersect with state interests or other forms of interest to push particular policies or suppress others. And it's these three interacting layers, if you like, we see them rather as three overlapping circles, that interact in the power play that is policy processes, because power is central to understanding which policies win out and which policies lose. And if we think about those three, about knowledge, about actors and about interests, and about how power relations intersect between the three, we can think about policy moments or policy openings that exist between them. We can think about how those three interact to open up policy spaces or close them down. And it's that, within that space, where pathways to sustainability are created or indeed suppressed.